Today we're taking a closer look at Blofin, a fast-growing crypto exchange known for its powerful futures trading, large bonus campaigns, and wide selection of cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'll give you an honest review of Blofin, explain its features, share the drawbacks you need to know, and show you how to claim your welcome bonus using the referral code bonus88. Stay until the end so you don't miss the steps to unlock your rewards. What is Blofin? Blofin is a global cryptocurrency exchange offering spot trading, futures trading, copy trading, trading bots, staking, and more. It supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies and aims to provide high-speed execution with a simple interface, suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. Its futures products and promotional rewards have made it especially popular among new users. Key advantages of Blofin. Here are some of the biggest advantages of using Blofin. First, the platform supports a large number of cryptocurrencies and futures markets. Second, futures trading comes with competitive fees and leverage options. Third, the interface is simple and clean, making it beginner-friendly. Fourth, Blofin offers regular promotions, tasks, and reward programs to help new users get started. Fifth, new users can unlock a welcome bonus package that can reach up to 5,000 USDT, depending on the tasks they complete. Blofin Welcome Bonus explained. Blofin's welcome bonus typically includes registration rewards, deposit bonuses, trading vouchers, task-based milestone rewards, seasonal and event-based promotions. Depending on the current campaign, bonuses can total up to 5,000 USDT. The exact amount you receive depends on the region, the tasks you complete, and the active promotion at the time you register. To see your personal reward package, check the Rewards or Task Center right after signing up with code bonus88. Drawbacks you should know. No exchange is perfect. Here are some things to keep in mind. 1. The largest bonuses usually require completing tasks such as deposits or trading milestones. 2. Blofin is newer compared to major exchanges, so liquidity may be lower on certain pairs. 3. Customer support response time can vary depending on region. 4. As with all leverage trading, futures trading carries significant risk. How to register and claim the bonus using code bonus88. Here's how you can activate your Blofin bonus. Step 1. Click the sign-up link in the description. Step 2. Enter the referral code bonus88 during registration. Step 3. Complete KYC verification if required. Step 4. Go to the Task Center or Rewards Hub in your Blofin account. Step 5. Complete the tasks listed, such as making a deposit or placing a trade, to unlock rewards. Your bonuses will appear automatically once each task is completed. Tips to maximize your bonus. To make the most of your bonus package, start with small spot trades to get comfortable with the platform. Only use futures vouchers once you understand leverage. Read each task requirement carefully. Some bonuses apply strictly to futures. Experiment with demo mode or copy trading before committing high capital. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Compared to more established exchanges, Blofin offers a simpler learning curve, more accessible bonuses, and strong futures tools. It may not match the liquidity or scale of major exchanges, but it excels in onboarding, rewards, and ease of use. If you're looking for generous promotions and beginner-friendly features, Blofin is a strong option. Is Blofin worth trying? Blofin is a solid choice for beginners and intermediate traders looking for a clean interface, a wide selection of assets, and a high-value welcome bonus. If you want to explore futures trading, copy trading, or a large bonus campaign, Blofin is definitely worth checking out. Just remember to trade responsibly and always manage your risk. If you want to claim your Blofin welcome bonus worth up to 5,000 USDT, sign up using the link below and enter the referral code bonus88. These promotions can change or expire at any time. Don't wait. If this review helped you, tap the like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and comment "I joined" once your bonus is activated. I'll help guide you with the next steps. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.